In this video, we're going to learn about animals from A to Z. A. A is for alligator. Alligator. Alligators are fast swimmers and do most of their hunting in the water. B. B is for bee. Bee. Bees use nectar from flowers to make honey. C. C is for cat. Cat. Cats are really good jumpers and can jump 6 times their height, landing on their 18 toes. D. D is for duck. Duck. Ducks can fly in the air, waddle on land, and swim in water. E. E is for elephant. Elephant. Elephants spend 16 hours per day eating and are the largest living land animals. F. F is for fox. Fox. Foxes live in underground dens where they take care of their young and hide from predators. G. G is for goat. Goat. Goats are very energetic and can jump over 5 feet. H. H is for hippo. Hippo. Hippos are great swimmers and can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes underwater. I. I is for inchworm. Inchworm. Inchworms are really caterpillars that eat at night when fewer predators are around. J. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have no blood, brain, bones, or heart. K. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroos use their strong tails for balance while jumping. L. L is for lion. Lion. Lions live in groups called prides. A pride may have as many as 30 lions depending on how much food and water is available. M. M is for moose. Moose. Moose are tall and can weigh more than 1,300 pounds. That's as heavy as a car. N. N is for narwhal. Narwhal. Only male narwhals have tusks, which can grow up to 9 feet long. O. O is for octopus. Octopus. Octopuses use their powerful arms to build dens out of rocks to live in. P. P is for parrot. Parrot. Parrots can live until they are 80 years old. Q. Q is for quail. Quail. Quails can lay 10 to 20 eggs at a time. R. R is for raccoon. Raccoon. Raccoons are nocturnal, meaning that they are active at nights and sleep during the day. S. S is for snake. Snake. Snakes have flexible jaws which allow them to eat prey bigger than their heads. T. T is for turtle. Turtle. Turtles cannot come out of their shells, so their shells grow with them. U. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. Unicorns are imaginary creatures similar to horses with a single long horn. V. V is for vulture. Vulture. Vultures eat animals that have died in the wild. Without them, dead animals would rot and smell. W. W is for worm. Worm. Baby worms are not born. They hatch from cocoons smaller than a grain of rice. X. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Female X-ray fish can produce 300 to 400 eggs at a time, which they lay among plants in the water. Y. Y is for yak. Yak. Yaks have firm, dense horns which they use to break through snow to get the plants that are buried underneath. They also use their horns in defense. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Zebras can sleep while standing up. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for new videos. See you soon.